What's up, everybody? We are live in the laboratory. So right now, what we have here today, we got some SR20. We got rods and pistons. So right now, I'm gonna show you how I go about assembling the rod and piston combination. So I've done number one already. So let's get into it. So right now we got these Super Tech pistons. So you always want to check your pin. Make sure your pin float like it's supposed to. Shouldn't be no bind, no drag. You can, go in and out, then spin that bad boy. Make sure it spin nice and smooth. Obviously these parts have slight oil on them, which they should, just like they will be in running conditions. So our pin fits good, nice, already pre-confirmed. So dot means front. So right now I'll take the first clip and then I'll put it on the back side. First one is easy because you don't have the pin in the way per se. So what I'll do, and you can't have no little soft ass hands, no little tender finger. So you stick that bad boy in there like that, but you got to make sure you stick it in deep enough so that it don't pop out when you get ready to start to put that pin through. So we got our pin here, put our pin back in, so it's in there. Take this hand, put it there, so that way if that joker do want to pop out, it fall right in your hand. So listen for that click. Ooh, this bitch hard. There you go. So those pins are, or not the pins, those clips are nice. They still got good tension, because these are or have been run. So these pistons have been run and used, and I had them vapor honed at Rocket Blasting out here in Fullerton. So they refurbish, recondition all metal parts, no matter what it is, no matter how nasty. So our pin is in. You can hear it's butting up on our clip. So let's see if I can show it to you. So there it is. So it's on the clip. So now we'll take this bad boy. So then dot faces front. So then we'll take our rod. We got our rod right here. Tangs on the left, meaning tangs facing, when the rod is facing front, the tangs are on the left. So we'll go ahead, get our oil. This is just regular motor oil right here. Put a little oil in there. Get that bad boy ready. Clean my hands right quick so I can hold on to this shit. Lay this sucker down. Check. Just make sure we good. Left, front, left. Put that like that. Then we take our pin. Put a little more on there because it's kind of dry. Then we put this bad boy in there. So we in there. Take this sucker, stick him through, line him up. Bam. Pin is in there. So you always want to move your rod side to side. Make sure your rod is not binding up. You know what I mean? So we good on that. So now, here come the fun part. So we wipe the hands one more time. Get the hands dry. So then we'll go ahead, take our clip. And kind of get the edge hooked in. Get that first edge hooked in. There. And now I can be able to put some pressure. Start to walk it down as far as you can. Keep that pressure. Get your screwdriver. Get in the clip hole right there. And whoop, we didn't get it that time. Let's try again. We in on the back side, but there we go. I had to get a little more greedy with it. So then now we'll come on in, and there it is. Oop, and it got my fingernail. Ha ha! So we in there. We in there. So you just double check, wipe it, then double check. Make sure we're actually seated. Put a little pressure in a few points. Make sure we're all the way seated. Then push against it right at the opening. So that's your opening right there. Push against it. And so we're seated. That's it. So there it is. SR20 Rod Piston Super Tech forged alloy. Rod moves nice and free. We in there. Clean rod. This been resized on the big end and then honed on the small end. So yeah, ready to go. I'm out of here, y'all. Later. 2 down, 2 to go.